Okay, so a lot of what I do is by trial and error. And what I realized with this project is it is better to use this paper as though it's like wallpaper and to spread your glue thoroughly over the back side of the paper and then stick it to the surface. Smooth it out, get all the air bubbles out. It was less likely to wrinkle when I did it that way. And then once it's attached, go back over it with the Mod Podge. So I did that. I just used some parchment paper here. And also, this was a better technique as well. I just put it on there. The brush does absorb some of it, so you can still use it on the front side once it's attached. But this was a much better way to do it. I'd also recommend making sure that you get the edges and all of the corners, because those are the parts that seem to be bubbling and kind of warping. But essentially I've made wallpaper here. Now I'm not sure, there seems to be some globs of glue here. I'm just going to kind of rub them off. It might be dried Mod Podge from the brush, I'm not sure, or from the roller. Okay. So now it's all sticky. It is kind of wrinkly, but once I put it on here, I can smooth it out. And this process worked much better than doing it the way I did on the first side. The pattern is very busy, so I wasn't super worried about how it matches up. I think that if it were stripes or something where that might be a little bit more important. Also, the pattern on the paper being so busy also hides some of the wrinkles and bubbles from the paper. See, there's a wrinkle and a bubble there, but I haven't went over with my top coat yet. So I really am very happy with the way it looks. I'm going to just kind of go over the top coat real quick. I also did a patch right here, and I have a little tear here that I'll patch as well. But again, I think because the pattern's so busy, that I'm hoping that you won't really notice the seams. And it really is okay if you do. I'm not real worried about that. But you can see the roller still has quite a bit of Mod Podge on it. This just helps secure it. It also gives it a little bit of a protective coat. I do have some paint touch-up to do. I'm just going to go back over it again with black, but I figured I'd just tape this off. I have some more. I didn't do this side here, so I'll have to do that. And I think I'm going to do the bottom as well, so I'll probably have to move it around to do that. But right now I wanted to get this done. And I am really happy with the way it looks. I have a lot of reds and oranges and browns and kind of gold colors in my living room, and this matches just really beautifully. I'm very pleased with it. I just wanted to update this case. It was this, it's a like a vinyl or a, well, I forget what it's called, but it's not wood, it's particle board, and it has a like a laminate with faux oak color, which I'm not a big fan of, although I do have a lot of it in my house because it was updated in the 80s. But I really, really love this pattern. This is just scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I got it for $1. Each piece was $1. And yeah, I'm thrilled. I love it. I can't wait to get it done. My living room is also another room that I'm working on getting simplified and decluttered and organized. I've done other decluttering, but they're more like cleaning videos than decluttering because I still have all the stuff. I've just organized it. I'd like to get to the point where I don't have all the stuff. So that's my goal this year. Not a resolution, a goal. And so far it's been going pretty well. We're in mid-January and I think I'm doing all right. This is also another example of reusing something I have. So instead of buying something new, I've just refurbished what I have with 6 sheets of paper and some Mod Podge and materials I had around the house. So I'm very very pleased with the way this is going to turn out, and I'll show you once it's all done.